Okay guys, today I'm hands on the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro. Yeah guys, this phone display is a 6.47 inches Full HD plus resolution with AMOLED screen. Phone backside is totally 5 cameras here. First 3 camera lenses looking same. You cannot find which one is the 108 megapixel. Last 2 sensor is looking different. One is the ultra wide, other one is the macro lens. Lately I'm look the deep. And this phone weight is the 200 and some grams. It's no heavy weightage. Its main camera is 108 megapixel. Phone a little bit thicker, but the weight overall it's cool. No heavy weight, no bulky weight. It's cool. Phone bottom side is the Type-C ports, speaker grills, and 3.5mm headphone jack here. Last version Mi 9 Pro 5G is cannot 3.5mm headphone jack here, but it's likely good. 3.5mm jack. This phone running on the Android 10 built-in MI UI 11 latest version. Otherwise, you see guys, all side the edge screen is really amazing. Look like the Galaxy S10 Plus type same screen. The edges is very carved, is looking really amazing. Otherwise, phone top side is the water drop notch here. Bottom side chain is little bit less. It look like the Galaxy Note 10 type small chain. I really appreciate this device. Overall guys, this phone running on the Android 10. Otherwise, the phone top side is a water drop notch inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. Phone back side totally 5 cameras here. Is the main camera is the 108 megapixel. It's a big sensor. Second one is the 5 megapixel telephoto lens with support the 10x hybrid zoom. And third one is 12 megapixel depth sensor. I think it's a master of the portrait camera phone. Yep guys, it's a 12 megapixel depth sensor, and last one is the 20 megapixel ultra wide. Last one is 2 megapixel macro lens. Macro lens is 2 megapixel, but 20 megapixel ultra wide 12 megapixel depth sensor is masterpiece. Okay, this time show the camera, and it support up to 50x zoom support guys. It's not normal 25x, it's up to support 50x. Okay, just see the camera sample. It's a 108 megapixel camera sample, and quality is really amazing. Maximum zoom is the hair color and the face. Everything is really amazing. It's a color softness. Everything is really amazing. Very softness and clarity is really cool, guys. What do you think the 100 megapixel camera sample? Coming up, I'm testing in-depth cameras review on this device. Lately you watch. Okay, let's look the phone processor. It's a Snapdragon 730G. It's a gaming processor, fully focused only on gaming. I'm trying the PUBG, and what do you think guys? The gaming perform, it support the HDR. Let's look the gaming settings. Normally it's here on the medium settings. Oh no guys, it's the Snapdragon 730G gaming processor, but it's not support the HDR ultra mode. It's really bad. Only support the full HD mode. Guys, I cannot now. It's why cannot support the HDR mode. Snapdragon 730G. Anyways, let's look guys. It's the gyroscope mode. I'm just on every angle. So it's freaking good. It's no lag. Overall, its viewing angle is really amazing. Just watch now guys. How visit this phone gaming perform.